Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Now, function arguments and return values. Let's dive deeper into function arguments and return values. Function can take different types of arguments: positional, keyword, or default. What is positional versus keyword arguments? With positional arguments, order matters. Yes, how you pass. Like say greet, Alice, hi. Here the order matters. Like here, by seeing it you can say that the first one is name and the second one is message, right? But if you reverse it like greet, hi, Alice, then the function itself, where it is accepting these parameters, can be used in a different manner. With keyword arguments, order doesn't matter. Like greet, name equals Bob, message equals hello. This makes your code more readable. Next, take a look at default arguments. Default values make parameters optional. If you define a function like this, def greet name equals guest, print if hello name. So if no name is passed, by default guest will be used. Alright guys. Next, take a look at return statement. A function can return data using the return keyword. Like say for example, we are creating a function square which takes an argument x and it returns the square value of it. So def square x, it's returning x multiplied by x, and these return values can be stored in a variable. Now you can even return multiple values as a tuple. Yes friend, what is tuple? That we will see. For now, just to remember this thing, that we can return multiple values as a tuple. So it can be like this: def calculate or calc, it takes two arguments or two parameters x comma y, and it's returning x plus y comma x multiplied by y. So it's returning the addition value and the multiplication value. So when you call 2 comma 3, it gives you back two results at once. Alright guys, that's it for this lecture. See you in our next lecture where we will take a look at variable scope in functions.